Let's go. Today my video is about fast bike and fast ride and the motorcycle. So we're gonna ride to the Khao Yai National Park, and also I'm gonna show you two nice cafe in this way that you guys can have a one-day trip to these cafes if you have any holidays or if you're traveling in Thailand. Stay with me and enjoy the fast ride. Cafe. I will mention the location of this place in the link below, and let's check the inside. You can reach this cafe on the way to Khao Yai National Park, and also I'm gonna show you another nice one on the way. You have an indoor area and also outdoor area, which I'm gonna show you. Let me show you also the prices. This is for me, smoothie mango. Okay, thank you. So you can see the prices here for the cafe, 45.50, and for the smoothie, 75. They have a really huge outdoor area, which is really big. Every time make us smile. And if you walk and go over there, you can see a lot over there. If you go more further also, you will see this garden in the end of this cafe. Also small pond with lots of fishes. It's a really nice area to spending your weekend and having coffee here. Wow, look at these catfishes. You're hungry, oh my god. Sorry. It's okay. Wow. One of the beautiful cafe that you guys have to visit on the way to Khao Yai National Park is this cafe. It's called Suan Cafe. So let me show you. It's nearby the river with this beautiful environment.
I love peanut.
It's a very nice cafe with the outdoor area and indoor area. Also, there is a big flower market here. You can buy lots of flower if you want. They have affordable pizza for 300 to 80 baht, and they have a really good cafe. And if you guys come in the morning, you can have a breakfast menu. Can I see the breakfast, the menu of breakfast again? Oh, thank you. Yeah, so you can have this omelette or with the bacon for 150 baht, which I ordered it, and I will show you. This is what I order. Cappuccino, this breakfast with this beautiful, amazing view. It's so nice. So let me show you more nice area, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this tour for today. Before I finish the video, let me show you a little bit of the Bangkok and traffic and how to riding in Bangkok. By the way, stay safe and I will see you on the next video. Peace.